so there it is. I got all the axles on. We torqued them down. Actually got the tongue on too. I got the bolts too for this. Okay, so we also got the tongue on. That was actually very easy because all the bolts just lined up. There's the bolts were. I still need to put one in there, but there's 4 on each plate, 5 in the front. I stole one out of here to put in the front to hold the front up, but I got the other bolts that I'm going to do right now. It's off. It's only on 2 blocks in the front. It's off. The rest of the blocks are gone or out of there. Got to remove those 2 because they're not holding anything. We are getting it all hooked up. You need to pull up this thing. Oh. I don't know how. There we go. Okay, we're trying to go forward now. Oh. Okay. Yeah, you made it. You made it over that hole.
You're over where it was sitting. You're clear.
You're getting a little close, but you're not hitting it. It's going to be close. You're not to the chimney yet. I'm just looking at the front of the trailer.
Oh, okay.
Looks like you're going to clear it now. You're good now. If you straighten it out and you're good. I think he's fine with that, yeah. So we're going to leave it here for tonight and then we're going to pull it in the morning. I think we're about ready to try to get this out of here. Got the car on that side, the building on that side. Okay. So far, so good. I'm worried he won't be able to get all the way past that before he has to start turning. Still good. Right by that blue barrel, there's a antique Mercedes behind that. Yes, looking good. You're past the car. Shop is okay, but it's getting closer. You're not getting too close yet. Still like 2 feet away. You're good because you're past, the axles are right aligned with the shop so you can crank it. You're good. You're going to clear the shop just fine. Wow. You got it. Getting close to the rock.
Se va a subir a la piedra grande. Dale para atrás.
Okay, he's backing up. I think he's got it. You're good.
I'm good.
The tire's going to hit the rock a little bit, but I think it's okay. Yeah, you're good.
Las piedras, ahora sí. Dale derecho. Dale.
We hit the rock a little bit, but it's good. Great.
Está bien.
Okay. Getting on the road now. Getting the truck. So we're out in front here. We're the pace car. We're the pilot car, I should say. It's clear. Okay. It's clear. It's clear. He doesn't like to stop, so I gotta clear the corners here. I just went a little faster so I could clear the corners. It's all clear. You're clear.
Okay.
Now I gotta check the bridge. Bridge is clear. We like to take the back roads as much as we can. This keeps us off the out of the towns and stop legs. Still clear. Man, we always luck out with no cars. You're clear. Got one car coming. Still clear. Still clear. All clear. Still clear. Bridge is clear. We're clear. Which exit do you want? The north one? Clear. I have to clear the bridge now. Oh, we got some cars coming. No, it's okay now. It's clear and I'll stop the rest of the cars. We're clearing the bridge now. You're clear! Right there behind us. Nope, he's got it towed to his. If you can get it pretty close to the other one, that'd be good. Keep coming back. Very good. Now if you go to your left and straighten it out, go to your left. Forward just a little bit. Are we in a hole? Back 10 feet and you're good. Let's stop right there. Just stop it right there. We're good. Yeah, I'm gonna ask Tao just a sec. You think it's good right there?
What?
You think it's good right there? Can you look? Can you come look? I mean, to keep it there, does he want to back it up at all? I think it's better like this.
Yeah, better.
Okay. Right here's great. Perfect. Okay, we got it parked where we're going to park it, I guess.
Didn't do much damage.
You can go look. It's that back corner there. I'll see. What do you think? Did it?
Well,
I didn't see how we could avoid it, so
yeah.
not bad.
No.
This part gets replaced anyway. It's just this part right here. This part's you got to replace that anyway. No, see, it didn't do anything. That was already there.
It's not good to do.
We did that, but this part gets taken off anyway. It's just bend this back. Done. Oh, I need to go get some blocks. Okay, I got the mobile home set. We got 2 blocks under the front of the mobile home, so it's resting nicely. Still got the axles on, obviously, because we just now parked it. Anyway, I didn't want all the weight on that little tongue jack, even though it will actually lift that whole tongue. It's very hard, but it will. So I just got it most of the weight is on the front blocks there, and then I just kind of got a little bit of weight on just to kind of hold it. Anyway, that's where it's going to sit for a while. It's going to be parked here for a minute. Oh, for a while. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. I mostly do mobile home stuff. See you next time.